Shovelhead 8. Going to make foolproof pan pizza. This recipe's from Serious Eats and it works really well. And you cook it in cast iron frying pans. So I'm going to weigh out my ingredients and mix it, but I'll shut the camera off so you don't have to watch. And we're back. We're just going to mix up our dough.
What are you making, Sean? Hey?
Anyways, there's our lump of dough. Then we just cover it up and we just leave it for 8 to 24 hours. So we'll come and look at it in the morning. So we'll just cover it up. And we'll come and look at it in the morning. So see you tomorrow morning. And we're back after 8 hours or so. And there's your pizza dough doing its thing. So anyways, it'll sit there. It's good for another... We probably won't look at it again until about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But that's about the minimum time, 8 hours, so you can run it up to 24. So anyways, there it is. Here's the pizza dough after, well, it's noon hour, so it's 3 hours or so before I pull it out and put it in the pans. So this has been going for 16 hours or so. This is Shovelhead 8, going on to the next step of the foolproof pan pizza recipe. So we're going to more or less punch this dough down. A little flour to keep it from sticking. And we're going to cut it
not quite in half because we're going to put a thinner dough in one pizza. So anyways, you form it into a sort of a ball. And you take your two pans. Put some oil in each pan. And we'll just put a piece of dough in each one. And we just spread it. It'll be stretchy, so it'll take a little bit. And this dough will spread to fill the pan as it rises, the second rise. So you can correct this a little bit when you're in a couple hours when you're ready to put your toppings on. We'll just throw some plastic wrap on there. There. And we'll wait for a couple hours. Anyways, this is Shovelhead 8. Back to the next stage, putting the pizzas together. I've got my oven heated up. It's this pizza here from Serious Eats. So, you have two different pizzas because two people in the house like different stuff. So anyways, we're just going to put the sauce on. And this recipe calls for adding I had to go shut off the smoke fire alarm because it didn't like, you got the oven really cranked up and it just didn't like that. So anyways, I'll edit some of it out. Anyways, you spread your sauce right to the edge. And it calls for a lot of sauce too, 3/4 of a cup per pie. If you're a topping person, these are the pies for you. No leftovers. Well, that's good. Now this pizza is going to have mushrooms. And some green peppers. And this one over here is going to have hot peppers. These are out of a jar, pickled hot peppers. Now, precisely measured 6 ounces of cheese per pie. And a little bit of onion on the top here. And it's pepperoni time. So anyways, I'm going to shut off the camera as it takes a while to do pepperoni. Anyways, there's our 2 pies ready for the oven. And here's the 2 pies. Go in it. So now we wait. Anyways, pies look pretty well cooked, so I'm going to pull them out and leave them sit for a minute. Because they're, I would call them screaming hot. So anyways, I'll let them cool down a bit and then we'll flip them out in the cutting boards. Okay, we're going to see if we can flip out the pies. These are extremely hot. And there they are. We'll just wait a few minutes for them to solid up a little bit, and then we'll take the cutter to them. Anyways, we're going to attempt to cut the pie. A little too saucy, but that's what she asked for. Now we'll cut this one. Anyways, there's the crust on that one. So anyways, that's it for foolproof pan pizza, and that's the end for me in this cast iron cooking Wednesday. And thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Even leftovers for tomorrow. Thanks again.